Good morning, grade 9. We'll see new topic from topic number 4, subtopic you can call, that is continued proportion. Now see, look at these two ratios, A upon B. If this ratio is equal to B upon C, can you see that denominator of first ratio is same as numerator of second ratio. B here is repeated. If condition is like this, then we say that A, B and C, they are in continued proportion. If you cross multiply, you have AC is equal to B square. And in such case, B is called as geometric mean or mean proportional. Now, if there are problems involving continued proportion, generally, we equate this ratio equal to K. That means A upon B is equal to B upon C is equated as K, and then it is very easy to solve the problems involving continued proportion. Therefore, this type of method is also called as K method of solving the problems. So, let's solve set 4.5, which is based on continued proportion. So, let's go for it. Set 4.5. Now look at the first problem. Which number should be subtracted from 12, 16 and 21 so that resultant numbers are in continued proportion? So let us see, we are subtracting x from all the three numbers. So what would be our numbers? 12 minus x, 16 minus x, 21 minus x. After subtracting, they should be in continued proportion. So we know that if this is A, this is B, B should be repeated. Then only they will be in continued proportion. So I have written 12 minus x upon 16 minus x will be equal to again 16 minus x upon 21 minus x. And this we are saying let it be equal to k. So we can say this as say that this ratio is equal to k. I told you when you solve problems on equal ratio and involving continued proportion, it is easy to solve by K method, equating the ratios by K. Now by property of equal ratio, see what I am doing. I am going to subtract the numerators. Same operation should be done to the denominators also. So we can write 12 minus x. I am subtracting this. Okay. Minus, I am subtracting 16 minus. So these two ratios are also equal to. Okay. So these ratios are also equal to whole upon 16 minus x minus 21 minus x, which is equal to k. This is equal to this is equal to this will be equal to k. This is by properties on equal ratios. Alright. So you can write here by theorem on equal ratios. So by theorem on equal ratios. Now let me open the bracket. What do I get? 12 minus, I'll use another color so that it will be clear. 12 minus x, I am subtracting this, so minus 16 minus into minus plus x, the whole upon 16 minus x minus 21 minus into minus plus x would be equal to k. Okay. Now minus x plus x minus x plus x. I got 12 minus 16. Okay. So first I have 12 minus 16 upon I got 16 minus 20. Now 16 minus 12 is 4. 6 is having minus sign. 16 is having minus sign. So answer would be minus 4 upon 21 minus 16 is 5. 21 is bigger with minus sign. Again minus minus will get cut off and you are going to get 4 by 5. Sorry. 4 by 5, which is equal to k. So you got value of k as 4 by 5. So let us equate one ratio equal to k and we have value of k as 4 by 5. So what I am writing simply, so I am going to write 12 minus x upon 16 minus x. Each ratio is equal to k. So I am taking one ratio and I am equating it as k. That is 4 upon 5. because all these three ratios are equal to k. Okay, now I just cross multiply. 5 into 12 minus x would be equal to 4 into 16 minus x. Please take down up till here. I don't have place, so I am erasing this part. Okay. Now how do we do? So just cross multiply. You get 60 minus 5x. 60 minus 5x would be equal to 64 minus 4x. So I am shifting 5x over here and 64 over here. 60 minus 64 would be equal to 5x, minus will become plus, minus 4x. So minus 4 would be equal to x. Alright. So minus 4 should be subtracted from each of the given number. Which number should be subtracted? X should be subtracted, we have supposed. So minus 4 should be subtracted. I hope it is clear how to do the problem. Alright. Let's go for one more problem. Take it down, please. Now look at the second problem. It is similar to first one. Okay. Now if 23 minus x is the mean proportional of 28 minus x and 19 minus x, then find the value of x. Straightforward problem. So we know 23 minus x is mean proportional. So 23 minus x will be repeated twice, once in denominator, once in numerator, in equal ratios. So you have 28 minus x upon 23 minus x would be equal to 23 minus x upon 19 minus x, and let these two ratios be equal to k. But as per theorems on equal ratio, these two ratios are also equal to the ratio where we subtract numerators and we subtract denominators. So after opening the brackets, we get 28 minus x minus 23 minus into minus plus x upon 23 minus x minus 19 plus x, just like previous problem. Okay. Now if you calculate this value, x will get cancelled. Here x will get cancelled. 28 minus 23 is 5 and 23 minus 19 is 4. So we got this ratio equal to this ratio equal to this ratio equal to k equal to 5 by 4. In short, value of k or each ratio is equal to 5 upon 4. So you can equate any of these two ratios as 5 by 4 and find out the value of x. I have chosen first ratio. 28 minus x upon 23 minus x is equal to 5 by 4. Cross multiply. You have 4 into 28 minus x, which is equal to 5 into 23 minus x. Multiply 112 minus 4x equal to 115 minus 5x. You get 5x over here minus 4x is equal to 115 minus 112. X will be equal to 3. It's as easy as that. Same as first problem. Okay. So that's all from my side for today, students. Thank you.